What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support, all the love you guys have shown me over the last couple of years. Hope you're having a great day, night, wherever you're at. Tonight we're going to go over another beard company, of course. This company happens to be veteran owned. I believe he was a combat veteran, which is badass in my book. Thank you for your service. The owner's name is Anthony. He sent me out a care package to go over for you guys, and stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button if you want. If you like the video after you watch it, you learned a little bit, or you like it a little bit, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Tonight we're going to go over a company called Lit Beard Company. The owner's name is Anthony. Awesome dude, badass, military veteran, and I believe he served Operation Iraqi Freedom, which is a badass. That's badass to me. I come from a family of veterans. Anthony, thank you for your service, brother. I really, truly appreciate it. Thank you. I really appreciate all that you have done for this country. And what Anthony has sent me is a care package, a care box. If you guys remember my unboxing, remember it was this box right here, Lit Beard Co. He sent me out a couple combos to go over, and actually he sent me out this badass shirt. It's got that on the side, and it's got this on the back. If you're familiar with Lit Beard Co., go ahead down in the comments and throw in that razor hater with the hashtag in front of it. Show Anthony some love. But anyway, when you order from Lit Beard Co., you receive a sample, which I didn't know what this was at first, but when I flipped it around, it had a little sample glass attached to it. And this is pretty awesome, if you guys can read that. And of course, as always, you get awesome stickers. Always love having stickers. Razor hater sticker. And I like this one. This one a lot. This one's awesome. And of course, this is what is on the back of the shirt. If that'll focus. Here we go. And of course, another sticker. Pretty awesome. And the sample he sent, I believe, was the Texas cedarwood. Got that nice Texas cedarwood. Man, whew, you never get enough of that. He sent me out his brand new scent. We'll go ahead and go over that one first. And this is called Guilty Pleasure. I hope you guys can see that. And I really like the bottles. And when you receive these bottles, they are wax coated on the top. I'll actually put a picture right here to give you guys an idea. And I actually saved it. I just cut around the thing, around the bottleneck, and I actually saved it in a plastic bag, so after I'm done with the bottle, I can go ahead and stick it back on. And what this is chocolate, coffee, and orange. The consistency of his oils, nice medium weight oil. I hope you guys can see that. Got a slight golden hue to it. And right off the bottle open, you get that chocolate, man. That freaking chocolate is awesome. And as always, you warm it up. You get the other one. The coffee I get last, which is fine. I like coffee scented beard oil. And that orange is subtle, but it's there. You can tell it's there. And it's funny because the first time I put this in, my wife actually asked me, "What do you got in?" You know, because it smelled. You can smell the chocolate real good. And I told her it was beard oil. She's like, she didn't believe me, so I had to show her the bottle, and she took it off me for a couple of days. So she used it a couple of times. So that's a good sign, fellas. Feels good in beard. The ingredients in it are not on the bottle, but I have it pulled up here. Everything is 100% natural and organic. We have 100% organic golden jojoba, natural cold-pressed argan, natural cold-pressed virgin cannabis hemp oil, natural virgin grapeseed oil, tobacco vanilla, fragrance oil, sandalwood, bourbon fragrance oil. Actually, I'm reading the wrong one, guys. I'm reading the wrong one. See, this is uncut. This is raw. Okay, all the same ingredients except for the chocolate fragrance oil, the coffee Arabica oil, organic mandarin essential oil, and Australian sandalwood oil. So everything in this bottle is good for your beard, good for your skin. Smells absolutely amazing. It made my beard super duper soft, and I think that sign is making that do that. Yeah, I might have to take that sign down. But it's super soft in my beard. It felt good in beard. Fragrance wise, it lasted all day. I'd say about 9 hours is when I got the least smell of it, after about 9 hours. But Anthony, good job, brother. Good job. The next one is his Balm, his Guilty Pleasure Balm. And this, man, this was more like a conditioning balm more than like a hold balm, which isn't a bad thing. It's for me, I like that kind of balms. But as you can see, it's got a nice nutty type look to it, and it's super duper soft. And the consistency wise, it melts right in your hand like a butter. You apply it, it does hold your flyaways down. It conditions the crap out of your beard, makes your beard feel absolutely amazing. And you don't get that, if you move, your beard's sitting there going like that. It does have some give to it, so I'm going to say it's got a slight hold to it, to a medium. But all in all, this was an awesome product to use, and I'm really happy that I got the opportunity to try it out. I really, really liked using that one. But the next one was my favorite out of the two, and this one is called Wisco Whiskey. Alright, sorry guys, I had to unplug that sign because every time I try to focus on something, it didn't work. But anyway, this is called Wisco Whiskey, and it's still not gonna do it. Guys, this is embarrassing. Let me cut for a minute. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I just went ahead and threw up my old sign. So, this one is called Wisco Whiskey. And this, oh my goodness, this smelled so good. I just read the ingredients, but let me read them again for you guys. The scent profile of this is just awesome. Awesome. Actually, man. So this has tobacco vanilla, sandalwood bourbon, red cherry, and oak fragrance. The level of sweetness and smell good in this, and it's just wow. The wow factor, like, I'm speechless, guys. Again, the consistency, about a medium weight. Whew, man, that smells good. It's just a real nice cologne type scent. You get the sweetness, you get the cologne-esque, however you want to say it. The sweetness is a little bit more stronger, but man, it's got such a nice sweet, bourbon-y, sweet. That was Wisco Whiskey Beard Oil. Again, the Beard Balm and the Wisco Whiskey. Really smooth consistency. Conditioning factor is there. Such an awesome, wow. Again, it's got that nutty color to it. It's nice and soft. In beard, it holds my flyaways down, conditions my beard. Light to medium, I'll say, firmness on the hold. Just an amazing scent profile. I enjoyed using this company, especially it being veteran owned. Anthony, again, thank you for your service. I appreciate it. My family appreciates you and thanks you, as well as my followers and subscribers do. No words can, explain how appreciative a person like myself is for a person like you. That's a little bit of a tongue twister, but anyway. Thank you so much for sending out the package. I really appreciate it. Guys, I highly recommend you go try Lit Beard Company. Everything will be in the links below. Anthony, again, thank you, brother, for sending this out. I appreciate it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Until the next review, guys, peace.